Hey guys, Photoman here. Welcome back to another video. This one is on Crown Surplus. Long time, from 1953, military surplus store in Calgary, in Inglewood, one of the oldest communities in Calgary. So hope you enjoy this one. Lots of history as far as movies and things like that have contributed to. So hope you enjoy this one. Crown Surplus is a household name for a lot of people in Calgary. At one point, you've walked by and viewed the jeeps, ship guns in the yard, and walking through the shop, viewing military items from the classic to the new. Al Cumming opened the store in 1953 on the heels of the Korean conflict. However, after 71 years and 3 generations of Cummings owning the building and the business, they will be closing soon due to changing times. Crown Surplus has been a source to the film industry over the years. They provided uniforms, mortars, firearms, tents, torpedoes, camouflage nets, and assorted props to the film industry. I'll have a list of the films, the major ones, in the pinned comment on the video. Enjoy.